Welcome to the Maker Festival's 3-day festival pass. This is the ultimate event for makers, creators, and DIY enthusiasts. Join us for 3 days marketplace shopping, inspiring demonstrations, and exciting exhibits. Our festival is the perfect opportunity to meet like-minded people, learn new skills, and get inspired by the latest trends in the maker community. The festival will take place from August 3-5, 2023 the Lancaster County Convention Center at 25S Queen Street, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, 17603. We've got a packed schedule of community activities, galleries, live demonstrations, and make-and-takes. Additional make-and-take fees may apply. You'll get a chance to explore the latest tools and materials, experiment with new supplies, and learn from some of the most innovative makers around. Immerse yourself in a celebration of creativity, innovation, and the boundless possibilities of the maker culture with the Maker Festival's 3-day festival pass. Over 3 unforgettable days, this pass will grant you access to one of the most vibrant and diverse gatherings of makers, inventors, and DIY enthusiasts from across the nation. At the heart of the Maker Festivals lies a captivating array of hands-on workshops, captivating exhibits, enlightening talks, and a sense of community like no other. With your 3-day festival pass, you'll be granted entry to an inspiring wonderland that showcases the ingenious fusion of technology, artistry, and imagination. Picture yourself stepping into a bustling world of ingenuity, where the boundaries of possibility are endlessly pushed and redefined. Each day presents an exciting new adventure, filled with a plethora of workshops led by skilled artisans and experts from various disciplines. From tinkering with cutting-edge 3D printers and learning the art of woodworking to discovering the secrets of electronics and sustainable living, these hands-on sessions offer a chance to unleash your inner creator and bring your wildest ideas to life. As you explore the expansive exhibition halls, prepare to be amazed by a dazzling display of ingenuity. Witness an eclectic range of projects and inventions that showcase the incredible diversity of the maker community. From mind-boggling interactive installations to awe-inspiring robotics, you'll be transported into a world of innovation that never ceases to captivate. The Maker Festivals are not just about witnessing and learning, they're also about engaging and sharing. Throughout the event, you'll have the opportunity to attend thought-provoking talks and panel discussions led by pioneers and industry experts. Delve into the frontiers of science and technology, gain insights into sustainable practices, and unravel the mysteries behind the latest breakthroughs shaping our future. Nurturing collaboration and fostering connections, the maker spaces offer a haven for camaraderie among attendees. Collaborate with fellow makers, exchange ideas, and join forces on projects that harness the collective power of creativity. It's a place where you'll not only discover new skills but also forge lasting friendships with like-minded individuals who share your passion for innovation. Beyond the knowledge and skills gained, the Maker Festivals are an experience that awakens the spark of curiosity and ignites the flames of inspiration. The atmosphere buzzes with the palpable energy of makers of all ages and backgrounds coming together, each bringing a unique perspective to the table. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting to explore the world of DIY, the Maker Festival's 3-day festival pass promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of the maker movement. So, don your creative cap, embrace the spirit of innovation, and prepare to embark on an immersive adventure that will leave you inspired, enlightened, and ready to unleash your own maker potential upon the world. Don't miss this chance to be a part of the creative revolution at maker festivals across the USA.